With the continuous advancement of industrial technology, factories are moving towards a more efficient and intelligent future. As a new type of production equipment for garment printing, roller heat transfer machines are becoming an essential part of modern garment manufacturing. In the global industrialization process, high efficiency, low energy consumption, and intelligence have become the main directions for future factory development. Factories need to optimize production processes and improve equipment performance to enhance production efficiency and meet market demands for fast delivery. At the same time, with rising energy costs and stricter environmental regulations, sustainability and energy reduction have become critical tasks for factories. The application of intelligent manufacturing technologies, such as the Internet of Things, big data, and artificial intelligence, is driving factories toward digital transformation. As consumers and corporate clients increasingly emphasize green production, factories must adopt more environmentally friendly production methods to meet market demands. Roller heat transfer machines, as highly efficient and precise production equipment, have the potential to support integration into Industry 4.0, incorporate low-energy designs, and enable automation upgrades. Once integrated into industrial management systems, these machines can achieve real-time monitoring and data collection, optimizing production processes. Additionally, their advanced variable frequency energy-saving technology significantly reduces energy consumption, aligning with green manufacturing trends. The automation control system greatly reduces reliance on manual labor, improves production efficiency, and minimizes human error. Multiple factory managers and technical experts agree that the adoption of roller heat transfer machines plays a vital role in improving production efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and meeting the needs of green production. It is a wise choice for garment printing factories to move towards future manufacturing.